Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Daily Book Report. So first need to install the app from app section. This is the Daily Book Report module. Click on install button. App is installed in our environment. Today I show you the functionality of Daily Book Report module. This module helps in your business to generating the daily book report of your day-to-day transactions and also export it to Excel and PDF format. This module is used for generating XLS and PDF report of all type of journals like tax invoice, vendor bill, cash, bank, etc. Report is printed by date and bank account filter. This is the menu for daily book report. If you can click on menu, then open the wizard of daily book report. This is the wizard of daily book report. Fill all given information in wizard like company, target move, start date, end date, account and journals. In account and journals, you can select a multiple value. First of all, select start date, and end date, then select account. In account, you can select a multiple accounts. In journals, you can select a multiple journals. Then you can print a PDF report, then click on print button, and also you want to print a Excel report, then click on export button. If click on print button, then print a PDF report of selected journals like tax invoice, vendor bill, bank cash, and all the entries given in a PDF report like this. This is the PDF report of all journals: bank, debitors and cash. This is the start date filter and end date, and this is the bank account filter, and this is the all the entry of bank accounts. This is the debitor accounts, and this is the cash accounts, and also this is the Excel report. This is the start date filter and end date filter. This is the account filter, bank, debitors and cash. This is also its journals, bank, debitors and cash. This is all the entries of this daily book report. I told you all about the functionality of this module. If you can understand all the functionality and enjoy this video, then please subscribe our channel. Thank you.